It's Julius from Baguio Country Club. Baker. Magiging ano na siya, regular. This is the Baguio Country Club. Dito ako nag-work. Today is January 11. The powerhouse. Yan si si Chef Al. Yan Chef Al ng Country Club. Hi, Joseph. Hello. Hi, Mr. Brown. And me is Alejandro. I'm from Country Club, January 11. End of my contract. Babay na. Yan sila. Kulang pa nga sila eh. You know. Joseph, look at here. Yan sila yung mga Alhamdulillah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye mo. This is the locker. The locker. Diyan na sila. Kulang-kulang pa kami. Ito yung locker natin. Pakit. Iba yung mga locker. Hi, Joseph. Yeah. Si, Julio and Mr. Brown, yun. Paalam na. Sunny! Mag-hi ka na? Hi. Say hi. Yeah. This is Baguio Country Club. Ito si sa yung packaging staff ng Country Club. Siya yun. We are waiting for Chef Ray, yung first baker. Yeah, I'm going to save it in YouTube. I have a YouTube. Yes. Sige. Search mo yung pangalan ko, Alejandro Bandong. Basta na space. Yung Chef Ray. May Country Club. Yan sila. Yan si Chef Ray. Yung yan. Yung nakaputi. Tapos yung nasa uli yung packaging stuff. Siya yan. So yung first baker, mga graveyard kami. Chef Ray. Sila na. Babay na. Ito yung locker ng Country Club. We are waiting for Chef Ray. Chef Ray. Hi, Chef Ray. Say hi. Yung first baker ng Country Club. Hello. Graveyard.
Hello, Chef Bando.
Hello. It's my last day. Hi, Joseph. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello tayo. Bye-bye. Ito yung Country Club Village. Look at that. Yung dalawang Proby. Yung dalawang Proby ng Country Club. Malapit na ma-regular sa February. Tapos yung Chef Al, yun. Ito yung mga locker nila. Yun. Yun.
Patalin mo. Ito yung mga mukha ko.
Hindi this is us. I am Alejandro.
Sige, Ali.
Sige.
Yung last day.
Bye. Sige. Bye-bye po, guys. Bye-bye, Julius. Bye. Bye-bye po, Chef.
Sige, bro.
Sige. Just here. Just smoking. Kasi ano ka, Kuya Biani? Yung ano?
Nakasya pa na po.